Today, I'll show you how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. MetaTrader 5 itself is the trading platform, but the actual real account is opened through a broker. MetaQuote says, live accounts cannot be opened directly by the platform alone. They are opened by brokerage companies, although you can send a real account request from MetaTrader 5 to a broker. To get started, install MetaTrader 5 on your phone or computer and open the app. When the platform starts, look for the option called Open a Real Account. MetaQuote says this option is available in the account setup flow, along with options for opening a demo account or logging into an existing account. Now choose Open a Real Account and search for your broker. MetaQuote says you need to find the broker's server in the list first. So type the broker name, select the correct server, and continue. This step matters because your real account is created under that broker, not just under MetaTrader 5 by itself. After that, fill in the application form. MetaQuote says you may need to enter your personal information and provide identification documents. In many cases, this includes proof of identity and proof of address. Once you submit the request, it goes to the broker, and the broker reviews it before opening the real account. When the broker approves the application, you receive your account details. After that, go back into MetaTrader 5 and log in using your account number, password, and the correct broker server. MetaQuote says, this is how you connect to an existing real trading account in the platform. One more thing to remember is that some brokers may ask you to finish part of the real account opening process on their own website instead of only inside MetaTrader 5. So if the broker tells you to continue on their registration page, that is normal. MetaTrader 5 provides the platform, but the broker controls the live account approval. That follows directly from MetaQuote's guidance that real accounts are opened by brokerage companies. So, in simple terms, open MetaTrader 5, choose Open a Real Account, find your broker, submit your details and documents, wait for approval, and then log in with the real account credentials the broker gives you. And that's how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.